Hello everyone. Now we go to the next case study, which actually focuses on a company called as Dream Homes. Dream Homes has nothing to do with construction of houses. It deals with household products. For example, cooking gas. It can be a cup. It can be any item that is required in the house of a person. Now, friends, let us, for example, take an example of a cup. Okay. I told you there are two types of advantages that is there in every business. The first one is called as the competitive advantage. Under this you are having two parts. One is called as differentiation advantage and the next one is low cost advantage. Low cost advantage means I try providing it at the lowest cost possible so that I don't have a competitor in the field. Differentiation advantage means I try providing something different compared to others. Now tell me friends, in a cup, how much can you make it different? Very limited things can be done to make it different. So here, in case of a household appliances, differentiation advantage does not work so much. What works is low cost advantage. In order to bring the lowest cost possible, you can use the following techniques. One of the techniques that we have learned is target costing. Here what we do is, we have a selling price, we have a target profit, from that we decide the cost and then we work hard to do something so that we can achieve the target cost. And one of the techniques which is used for achieving the target cost is called as JIT. The full form of JIT is just in time. Friends, just in time means normally every company which deals in stock, the biggest cost for them is the carrying cost. They keep lot of stock for which they take huge amount of loans and they have to pay huge amount of interest. This interest is what we call it as carrying cost. So if they go for just in time, then beautifully they can manage with lower inventory, lower carrying cost, but the same sales happening. But JIT is very risky. There is always a chance that you can go stock out under JIT. Alright, so you have to be careful in that case. Of late, there were companies like Tata who entered into a beautiful supplier reconciliation. Supplier integration, Apple, Tata, etc. Supplier integration means what they actually did was whenever the stock reaches the reorder level, okay, the software of supplier was linked with the software of Tata. Whenever the stock reaches the reorder level, normally Tata is supposed to raise a purchase order to supplier. Here, Tata will not raise a purchase order. The moment it reaches reorder level, supplier will itself deliver the goods. So by doing so, you save a lot of time and you get the stock at exactly the right time. That is one of the biggest advantages of JIT. But if you are doing this, you should have a very strong ERP and a very good system. If you don't have that, creating an ERP can be really damaging. Okay. So now let us discuss this whole thing. As I told you, Dreams is an MNC having operations in many phases of India. They are into ladies group of India since its expansion of line and the labor cost is relatively low over here. It's mainly about household products. Target costing is very much relevant over here. So we can always try to reduce the cost. Okay. Based on internal policies, demand forecast has to be done. Once you do, you should have a very good ERP. You should have a very good ERP which can sync data interchange between the supplier and Dreams Homes. Okay. It will be able to reduce the lead time. By doing so, it will be able to achieve a very good comparative cost. It is one of the best vendor management inventory technique that they should employ in their company. Alright, by doing so, they can actually do it. They also can be implemented by allowing the suppliers of the firm to access the inventory information from all the locations. They can use techniques called as RIFD, radio frequency identification. Alright, this supply chain management, once you do, you can get a better cost. You can build stronger collaboration, less the products, less the carrying costs, and you can overall make better profits. I hope you are clear with this video, friends. Thank you so much.